I don't know if you guys have seen this before. You guys obviously seen this before. This is my boy Brian's whip. Here's Apito's car. I've been posting him on my IG. But we're gonna throw some test pipes on this car.
Those trucks are.
Did it go?
Well, I don't know. Why not?
Twist it? Yeah, there you go. Yeah.
Oh!
There you go. I was hitting a brick. Like, fuck, I'm about to buy new cats.
Ora, cara. Wait. You're fucking it up. Go.
No, compa.
This is what laziness gets you, man. Brand new? They're cool. They got some weight to it because obviously they got a flex pipe and they got this thing. But at least they won't crack and at least it won't sound so horrible. This is an AGC powered one, has a resonator on it. Yes, sir! Sabo got some DE spark plugs. Look how nasty those things are.
Jesus. Dead bug or some shit.
Jesus Christ, look at these.
G?
That's right.
For fucking
I like
gringos? For Go Gap Tony? That's what it is.
I already took everything out the bag just to make it easier. So the hoses. Oh. But this is kind of cool. Like, this is the sandwich plate they send you. It's pretty good. It looks really good quality. Like, I think it came out a lot cleaner. It looked great. It's all legit now. Legitness. It's all tight. Lines are run all tucked nicely. This is cool. It looks a lot better now. What? Oh shit! We came to the light outside. We're on Main Street right now. Just had to come check out the car, see what it looked like, see if we fucked with how it looked like in the world, you know, out in the wild. I personally, I think it looks cool. Do you want to tell everybody what happened last night, Sapo?
Oh, so I was
What happened to this donut?
I was hitting this corner, right? It's just decided to beat away.
So if y'all don't know, the boys are running some stretchy tires. That's what happens when you run stretchy tires. They debead and you mess up a rim. This is all curb brush now. So that happens when you're on 3-piece wheels with stretchy tires, man. We got 2 boxes here, and the only time we have 2 boxes here is when there's something good. And we got Sapo's car here to the left of these boxes. So what is really going on? Box numero uno. Let's see what's up. We got some chilled intakes for the PCV delete. That's gonna go right there.
Hey, not even done.
And then we got a ported manifold up in this bitch right here. Sheesh. Straight from Z1. Box numero dos. We got some China-made intakes. He's actually from UPT, Georgie, the same guy who's been helping me build my car with his parts. We got some regular intakes right here, and then we got some Blox velocity stacks, just like mine. So there's that. And yeah, these are 3-inch intakes. So what does that mean, Sapo?
We're trying to get tunes today.
Sheesh.
Let me handle the sticks.
These are some quick disconnect intakes. You know, not major. Should just be able to pull it out. We took it off, or should I say less? I took it off. Got the manifold on there. Everything's tight. Sheesh. You know when we bust out the HP, car's about to do some damage. Bought a flash stock ECU with an upper 2.5, blah blah blah. All this means is that you're gonna flash the car and it's gonna take away the license, so that's all that's saying. So it's been 2 weeks and a day to get this fully tuned. This shit's loud as fuck. We got the boy Saps here, front and center, cleaning up his wheels. He's gonna change the color on these two, I guess. This is your first time putting plastic dip, Saps?
Usually I fuck with paint.
Yeah, usually I'd go with paint too, but
Desperate times call for desperate measures.
they're looking pretty saucy. Today I need to buzz down on a wire tuck.
You're gonna pretty much disconnect everything, so it gives you a lot more wiggle room and be able to move a lot more of this stuff.
See it? Ta-da!
This other one's also gonna get right underneath, so you guys can just literally snake all this wiring through here. Start pulling it. And you see? It hella cleans up like the metal part.
Shit, look at all this crap I took out that you don't even need. Basically, this whole front end has to come apart, and so does this cover. So we gotta take off literally everything. We got stops in the mix right here, fucking up all kinds of paint. That thing already looks messed up, if you ask me.
All I care is that it's
Look at
black,
that.
bitch.
Sheesh. This is a very big moment, Stops. This is the death of this car. Because you're playing with yourself, you think it's gonna run after. Sheesh. These are the gaskets that typically go bad. This one right here, this top one. And then like this bottom one, you can see like the gasket's already starting to stick out. And on top too. That's what usually happens. God,
It's my fucking oil.
let me see if I can. Yep. It's gonna be such a dope video. So we got a flat too.
What the fuck is that?
What the fuck happened? I'm gonna let it slide, but the technique's a little off. Right after we just got it running.
I know this guy was gonna take off his wing. Homie really be doing the most. Look at him.
My wing in the car,
Look at
so
him. Look at him.
Go.
I lost all my gears. Mira. You see that? I don't have any gears. Sheesh, that did not just happen, bro. That did not just happen. That crazy, bro. Come on, Harold. Come on, Harold. Come on, Harold. Come on, Harold. Woo! Sheesh. Sheesh. Yay! Yeah, no, homie.
Good ass meaty ass federal.
And just like that, I swapped all the wheels.
Yo, bitch.
Top actually put in work for once. This is like my first set of wheels on my Z than when I bought it from. Sad boys. We got stock plenum, stock cat back, stock cats, stock intakes, some stock wheels. Whose man's out here got refed with an InGen sticker? Crazy, crazy.
It wasn't even because of that way, it was more for the exhaust.
Pretty much took us all day, but everything's back to stock. Brian's working on taking his coilovers off, and I'm working on taking my stock suspension off, so this can only mean one thing. We're installing some coilovers today, baby. This is somewhat of the setup that we got going on right here. Like I said, BR type. So we got the boy Saps on the ground. I don't know why he's capping. I feel like it looks pretty good, you know? Obviously this side's jacked up, but yeah, this was on Strip City. Oh,
Why are you?
why is there water in there?
Oh, I thought it was oil. Like,
It's water. Why is there water in there?
it rained, nigga. Nigga, stop fucking doing this, you bitch.
Back to stock. Here we go. See, you are going back to stock. You will not receive back your license. Please contact Upper Support for more information. You wish to continue. So I don't know when the buyer's gonna come through, but the car's pretty much now it's 100% fully stock. I guess what happens when you're two and then you go back to. Oh, you're trying to give it gas? Brian has cams. Yeah, let me see those cams, baby.
929. They're here. They cashed me out. It's going on to a better home. Yeah, they're taking my baby. To be honest, I'm pretty fucking sad because I spent time, money, and effort on this car, like a motherfucker. So just taking like that, it's gonna suck. But yeah, we want to bigger and faster things.